Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So it's another raining day. So this is the Aizuwakamatsu raining day after Jordan. So we went to the International Association Aizu. Then we are going back to our home. So Saito-san is driving, good driving on the raining day. It's not easy task to drive on the road. So number plate はダメですね。楽しみですね。はい、ぜひ行ってみていただければと思います。傘持ってったかな、アンブレラ。持ってったアンブレラ。持っていかないか。迎えに行って雨が降ったら帰れない。同じじゃないの？So we are returned to home. So we can see the raining days from this place. This is the Saito-san home. There is, we can see there is a rickshaw beside the car. So this is the road. So this side we can go this way to the station, Aizu station. Here, so we are seeing the beautiful raining day scenario from here. So dear audience, we can see some raining here. So I really like the raining day, especially if I'm into the car. That is more beautiful compared to these places. So this is the big room here. So you can see there is some bicycle which I use every day. So sometimes not every day, because from this place station is 3 minutes or 10 minutes walking distance. Then from the station I can get there by bus. we so there is some vegetables here in front of our door beside the road. You can see this. The chili الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم